In today's lab session, we're going to discuss a few interactions with Nair and with Utilt. So to get started, if you didn't watch the previous lab session, there's a cool interaction with Nair, where if Green Hoodie nairs, he lands on the ground in frame 10 and he's -2. This lets Pink Hoodie nair as a true punish. However, Pink Hoodie lands on frame 9, leaving him -1, which leads to a cool interaction where they trade with jab and nair. This leaves Pink Hoodie plus and he gets something like a down tilt. If you want to see all the specifics on that, you could watch lab session number 3. Now here's the cool thing. So if Green Hoodie gets hit by up tilt and he inputs his nair, on the first frame your nair gets inputted. On the second frame you want to input a fast fall. This lets Green Hoodie land on frame 9. So right now we're in frame 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This means Green Hoodie is now -1 instead of -2, which lets him get the same interaction where he could jab to trade with the nair. And depending on who lands first, will change your punish. So right now I could down tilt. Now let's say Green Hoodie doesn't fast fall. Let's say Pink Hoodie fast falls instead on his. Let's see what happens. He nairs for 1 frame, he fast falls on the second, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. He lands on the 7th, but watch this. He is still in hit lag, which makes it so he's not even plus on him. He's still -1, even though he landed 2 frames earlier. Now for the up tilt interaction. If Pink Hoodie up tilts Green Hoodie could use up B as a punish instead of nair. If Pink Hoodie is a high enough percent, there's a chance for this up B to kill. You can see right here. Hits him and it won't kill him, but if they're on a platform or maybe a stage with a lower ceiling, it might have a chance to take the stock. Depending on Pink Hoodie's rage, this might not be a true punish, since if he has enough rage, he's only -2 on hit instead of a -3 or 4. But what does every Mac like to do after landing an up tilt? Another up tilt. So we could actually punish this. Basically, he's -4 on the first up tilt, and if he goes for another up tilt, the hitbox won't come out on frame until frame 8, meaning he's basically -7 if he commits to this up tilt. So what can Green Hoodie Mac do if he reads that he's going to do another up tilt? He could fast fall. So watch this. So he fast falls and Pink Hoodie is going to buffer another up tilt because he's brain dead. And Green Hoodie can shield this. This lets him get a true up smash out of shield to punish this up tilt. This is because that second up tilt that close on shield is -19. There's some other options Green Hoodie could do out of shield, such as a down tilt or an F tilt. Which can combo into other options or set up for a tech chase. If you manage to turn around your shield or you're good enough with your C-stick to get a turnaround up tilt, you can punish with a turnaround up tilt out of shield, which can lead to potentially better combos depending on Green Hoodie's percent. If you straight lunge, you will tank the hit. However, you won't have enough time to punish Pink Hoodie with the release. You will actually be 1 frame too slow. So we can see here, 1 frame too slow. You could use a side B, specifically a wave maker, to iframe through the hit and punish Pink Hoodie for a good amount of damage. Those were all the cool interactions I was able to find, so hopefully you find it useful or at least learn something kind of cool or new.